Unreal.
Hello, Hardware. How can I help you?
Yeah, g'day. How you doing? All right? It's Curly.
All right. How are you?
Yeah, I'm Curly. It's good. It's good. Thanks. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. What did you need?
I'm looking for like it's like a lawnmower, but
Yeah.
it goes by itself.
Oh, but it goes by itself, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it's a self. They say it's a self-propelled. You know.
Self-propelled lawnmower?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Like, yeah, it's a Mac eater.
Yeah.
It's a Mac eater.
Okay. Yeah, I get what you mean. Let me go get someone to have a look for me over where the lawnmowers are.
Thanks.
See if we've got one.
Yeah, 'cause I need the help on the phone. You know.
Yeah, no, of course. No worries.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Outdoor, and why not?
Sorry, is there anyone helping you?
Yeah, no, nobody's. I need help. You know. On the I'm a bit special and I need help.
Okay, sorry. I've just gone to the counter and the phone was going off, so I just was wondering if anyone took your call yet.
Yeah, she was going looking for a self-propelled lawnmower.
Self-propelled lawnmower.
Yeah, for the lawn, you know. It works by itself, apparently.
Oh, I don't think we have any of those in stock. I'll double check with my manager. 1 second, please.
Thank you.
Paint colour match, no problem.
Sorry, I've just double checked with my manager and he said no, we don't have it in stock, sorry.
Oh, what about on the website and all that?
The website, if it's available on the website, you can do a click and collect. So you will order the item through the website and they'll send it to us.
Great. So what's this clickety-clack thing?
So it's on the website, so you 1 second. Okay, sorry, I thought someone almost fell over then.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Careful, eh?
I just thought they felt them. So you go on the website, you'll click the item, pay for it online.
Yeah. That's a clickety-clack, is it, that one?
Click and collect, yeah.
Oh, the clickety-clack.
Yeah.
Oh, so I can do that, can't I, when I'm on the website?
Yeah, it's on the website.
And it says like redemption. What's that mean? I thought that was like religious, you know? Redemption.
I'm not sure, sorry. All I know is just if you click it up, if you
You
click it and
clickety-clack,
pay for it
yeah.
online,
Yeah. You get the money.
and they'll send it to us depending on.
Oh,
It could be a week or two, depending
yeah.
on the company.
And they send it to me.
So
Oh,
if you choose click and deliver, it will be delivered. If you
Yeah.
choose click and collect, you have to come and get it.
so I can do the clickety-clack and I can come and pick it up, eh?
Yeah, so that someone gets in contact with you, so we'll ring you when it's in.
Oh, I do the clickety-clack for the old self-propelled lawnmower then, eh?
Yeah, if it's available online.
Yeah, it says the redemption.
So if it lets you add it to your online basket,
Oh, the basket.
and then you pay for it.
That
So
can't.
when you go add to cart or add to basket,
Oh,
then you
yes.
go pay for it online. Yeah.
Roger that.
As
And
long as it says it.
yeah, as long as it said that. It has the basket comes with the lawnmower.
Does the what? Sorry?
The basket. You said the basket. Does that come with the lawnmower?
No, the basket is like a shopping basket. So
Oh, the shopping
you put stuff
basket.
when it goes in there.
Oh, okay. So it's a shop. But how does the lawnmower fit into a shopping basket?
It's an online one, so virtually it fits in.
Oh, it's like
But any other terms, it will just be the lawnmower you're ordering.
Oh, so I just go to the website. I order the self-propelled lawnmower.
Through the website, yes.
Yep. And then we do the clickety-clack.
That's click and collect, yes, and as soon as we get the item, we'll give you a ring.
Okay, and then I come and we put it into the basket,
Into your
eh?
car.
Yeah, into the
your
car. Into the car? Yeah, and I can
Yes,
give it to
your
me
car.
give it to me mate for Christmas, can't I?
Yeah, as long as you're picking it up.
Okay, I think I can do all that. I thank you for your help because I'm a bit, you know, I'm slightly special.
That's all good.
You're great. Thank you. I'll be.
Lovely.
You're great, and I'll buy it from the clickety clack.
Yeah, all good.
All right then.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
You too, bye. Number one, Stacey speaking.
Yeah, g'day. How you doing? All right. It's Curly here.
Good. Sorry?
It's Curly.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, fantastic. Thanks. Yeah, I'm looking for a tool.
Yep, let me put you on hold and I'll transfer you down to trade.
Oh, trade. Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Hey, how you doing? All right?
Not bad, thanks.
It's-
You're after something?
Yeah,
Are
it's
you after
Curly
something?
here. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I was looking for a. It's like a lawnmower. It's a self-propelled lawnmower.
Okay. What's the brand?
It's like a Mac Eater.
A Makita?
Oh yeah, it's a Mac Eater.
Yep. Do you know what model? Is it in the catalogue?
Yeah, it says this word like redemption. Redemption?
Redemption?
Yeah, that's like a religious term, you know? I don't know what it means.
Yeah. It just means when you buy something, Makita will give you something for buying it.
Oh, it's
So
like praying and that,
can
is it?
redeem, yeah, you can redeem sort of, yeah.
Oh, if you're a special
Something.
person. Haha, yeah.
Yeah, so you've got to go on their website though to do it.
Oh, yes. I do the clickety-clack?
Yeah, because nothing's easy.
The clickety-clack, yeah, I do the clickety-clack. I want that clickety-clack, you know, to order
You're
it.
my most favourite customer today. Yes, you do. Yeah, click and collect.
Yeah, the clickety-clack. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, make Kilmore your pickup store. That way it comes to us.
Oh, and how do you put the money into the website?
Use your card.
Oh, the card?
Yep.
Oh, you mean like the credit card?
Yeah, so you use that.
Oh, yeah.
And then you buy it, and then you say, I'll pick it up from Kilmore, and then we say, hey, Kelly, come get your lawnmower.
Oh, yeah, that's a self-propelled one, right?
Yeah.
And
Is it on the website?
yeah, I see it. I see it there.
Yeah.
But does that have the? How does it get the power though?
Isn't it battery? No?
It says it's brushless. Brushless.
Brushless?
Yeah, brushless.
Is it battery operated one?
Oh, yeah, it says like it's 18 volt or something.
Yeah, so that's a battery one.
Oh, and how's the battery work though?
You just put the battery in.
And how does it mow the lawn though? I've got to mow the lawn, eh?
Yeah, and then you put it in and that's what starts it. It's all clean energy, mate.
Oh, it's clean. It says it's self-propelled though. That means it mows the lawn itself, eh?
I think so, I don't know. Sounds pretty high tech. Where are you looking at? On our Mitre 10 website?
Yeah, the Mitre 10 that says the redemption. It says self-propelled, so it's got to work. I was thinking it'll work itself, you know, as it cuts the lawn itself.
Yeah, you still got to push it.
Oh, you got to push it.
Yeah,
Oh, that's different, isn't it?
yeah.
Oh, it's green energy, isn't it? That's what it is. It's green energy.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there we go. So, Propelled, let me have a lookie. I think it's the way that what do you call it? What are those things? Blades?
Oh, the blade, is it?
I think it's the way the blades go. Maybe that's what that self-propelled.
Oh, so I thought, you know, no, it's self-propelled. That's what it says, you know.
What does that mean? I don't even know what that means, mate.
Self-propelled means it propels itself, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's it. So, like, what do? Just let it go and it mows your lawn. There used to be a comedy show, wasn't there, with that dude? Did you see that? Chase his lawnmower?
Yeah.
Was it within itself means for its own? Jeez, they're using some big words.
Yeah, I know they're big words. See, they lost me already, you know. When they said redemption.
So, fired from a moving vehicle itself. Okay, why does it say
Oh, it's like a rocket.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little rocket. Oh, for your garden.
I can see it going through a bloody fence, mate. I think it's just, it's got something to do with your engine. Hang on, we've got a guru in the house.
Oh, the guru. They know everything.
Yeah, they do. Self-propelled. Because they're thinking it's just, mow the lawn itself, you know? Oh, listen to
Yeah.
That's all you do is you grab the handle, you let your gauges dry. Yep. And then oh, yeah. So we are on the right track. So
Oh.
you've got a little hook on the handle there.
Yeah.
Once you put that in, and then it goes. So I suppose it's better for you if you're not as muscly.
Oh.
So you got still turn it, you're insane.
It runs by itself. Yeah.
Yeah. So I suppose that's better if you sort of, maybe,
You got to walk behind it.
yeah, if you're not a young whipper-cracker.
Yeah, whipper-crackers.
It's better.
Yeah. And can we do the clickety-clack or put it in the basket? Does it come with a basket, when you order it?
Yeah, you put it in the basket.
Does the basket come with the lawnmower?
No. What's the back bit?
The basket, it's like a basket. You said when we order online, we put it into the basket.
Yeah, into the thing. So you order it, you click yes, and then you put in all your and then all your savings details, whatever the card is, and then yeah, so it comes to us. Well, not to us. It goes to another place, but they send it to us.
Oh, I see. And all right, and that's a clickety clack.
Yeah, because I'd have to order it, but you'd be waiting longer for me to do it than ordering it online.
Oh, I see. So I go into the line, I put it into the basket, but how does the lawnmower fit into the basket?
Yeah. I do not know.
Yeah, neither do I, hey. Oh, I'll just do the clickety clack thing then.
Alright, and then come pick it up when we say it's here.
Yeah, how'd that sound?
Sounds like a plan, mate.
Thanks, it's Curly, and I want to say thank you for talking to me today.
I really enjoyed it, thank you. We got some real fun ones here, but
Yeah.
you're probably up there with the funnest.
Thank you very much, Curly.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day.
Yeah,
Bye.
thanks, Curly. All right then.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.